In this video, we'll talk about piecewise-defined functions. Believe it or not, y equals absolute value of x is actually a piecewise-defined function because when your x is positive or 0, the absolute value of x will equal to x. But if your x is negative, then the absolute value of x is equal to negative x. So this is a piecewise defined function because you can see we have two pieces of domains, right? One is x is greater than or equal to 0. The other one is x is less than or equal to 0. And for each domain, you have a different expression to define that part of the function. And we call this kind of function a piecewise defined function. Here is another piecewise defined function. When x is greater than negative 4 and less than or equal to 2, then the function value is defined as 4x minus 2. But when your x is greater than 2 and less than equal to 4, then the function value is x cubed minus 2. Okay, so let's see. What is f of 0 here? Well, now we know the input is 0. We have to find where is this 0 is in the domain. Well, we know 0 is in this part of the domain between negative 4 and 2. So we will use the top part of the equation, which is 4x minus 2. So we have 4 times 0 minus 2, which is 0 minus 2, negative 2. Similarly, how do we find, let's say, f of 4 here? Well, 4, for this input, it's in the second part of the domain, right? It's at the bottom part, for the bottom part of the domain because it's right here. So we will use the bottom expression. So we have 4 cubed minus 2, which is 64 minus 2. We have 62, right? So on your own, I want you to find out the following two values. One is, I'll call it A. Find out what is f of 1. And the second question is find out what is f of 2. And I will review the answer in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So for f of 1, 1 is in the top part of the domain, right? Because 1 is between negative 4 and 2. So we will use 4x minus 2 to find f of 1. So 4 times 1 minus 2. That is 4 minus 2, which is 2. For f of 2, on the other hand, well, which part of the domain does it belong to? Well, it also belongs to the top because, we have the equal to here. At the bottom part of the domain, you don't have the equal sign there. So we still use the top expression. So we have 4 times 2 minus 2, which is 8 minus 2, and you get 6. And I hope you find this video helpful, and I will see you in the next video.